10 News Network. Myself, Singh Sangeeta, and today we are at Delhi Public School, Greater Noida. As CBSE 10th and 12th results were declared, we have with us top performing students from class 12th. First of all, congratulations from the entire 10 News team. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your result.
So my name is Anushri Venkatesh and I have secured 99.4% in humanities with 100 in geography, 98 in English and economics, 99 in history and 100 in food production and 100 in fine arts.
To whom did you like to attribute this achievement?
First of all, my mother, who kept checking on me during my late night study sessions to make sure that I hadn't fallen asleep. And then my father, who did not object to the holes I burnt in his pocket by constantly asking for printouts, stationery, books. And finally, to Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am for the constant motivation and endless support. And the teachers, who were available literally 24/7 to clear all my doubts.
What was your daily routine during board examination preparations?
So I studied for 4 to 5 hours every day, though a week preceding the exam I would study for 8 to 9 hours, and in between I would either go for a walk or engage in art and craft, do creative writing, and I made sure that I slept for at least 9 to 10 hours every day, so it was easier to retain all that information.
Which subject you find most challenging and how did you tackle it?
Okay, so I think economics was the toughest for me because it's more of a concept-based subject, and then there are numericals also, so there's always a high risk of calculation errors. So for that I used my reference books, Sandeep Garg, R.D. Sharma, and I also did past year sample papers, so that really helped a lot.
What was your future career planning and area of interest?
I'm going to pursue a degree in journalism and mass communication because of my inclination towards writing. So I have already written many articles, short stories, poems. So I'm going to go in that field.
Thank you so much for talking with 10 News and congratulations for your result as well as all the best for your future.
Thank you.
I am Gauravi Gupta. I scored 99.2% in science stream. I scored 100 in chemistry, fine arts and food production, 99 in English, 97 in mathematics and 95 in physics.
To whom do you like to attribute this achievement?
I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, my school for their constant support. They kept motivating me to fulfill my dream.
What was your daily routine during board examination preparations?
I studied for around 8 hours a day and I did not compromise on my sleep, and I tried to be a little I studied for around 8 hours a day and I did not compromise on my sleep, and I went for some walk or cycling in the evening time.
Which subject you find most difficult and how did you tackle it?
The most difficult subject was physics. It was the most horrifying dreams in my night, and I tried to practice as many problems as possible. I tried to do numericals and tried to keep up with it.
What was your future career planning and the area of interest?
I am trying to pursue BTech in data science and in IITs.
Thank you so much for talking with 10 News and all the best for your future.
Thank you.
I'm Naisha Kumar. I got 97% in commerce stream. I got 100 in marketing and music. I got 97 in economics, 96 in business studies, 92 in English, and 92 in accountancy.
To whom do you like to attribute this achievement?
I would like to thank my parents for constantly supporting me and motivating me to do better, and my teachers who were always available whenever I needed them, and to the Vice Principal Ma'am and Principal Ma'am for their constant guidance and motivation.
What was your daily routine during board examination preparations?
I used to study for about 6 to 7 hours every day, as I was also preparing for other competitive exams, so I used to keep 1 to 2 hours for that as well, and I got 6 to 7 hours of sleep every day, and I also used to do some walking and some creative stuff to blow off the energy, blow off my
Which subject you find most difficult and how did you tackle it?
I found accountancy very difficult, and up until pre-boards, I wasn't very strong in accountancy. But I practiced a lot, and I did better than I expected.
What was your future career planning and the area of interest?
Right now, I'm preparing for CUET exams, and I am planning to do BCom honors.
Thank you so much for talking with 10 News and all the best for your future.